Hey riders, welcome back to the channel where we break down the best bikes, the boldest builds, and everything in between. If you're into two wheels and a little bit of throttle therapy, you're in the right place. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you don't miss any of our weekly drops. Now, let's twist the throttle on today's feature, the 2025 Harley-Davidson Sportster. You ready? Let's ride. The 2025 Harley-Davidson Sportster continues the radical transformation the line began a few years ago with the Revolution Max engine platform. And let me tell you, this ain't your granddad's Ironhead. We're talking about a liquid-cooled, modern performance engine wrapped in a design that's still undeniably Harley. It's the perfect blend of heritage and innovation, and Harley is clearly aiming at a broader audience. Riders who want both performance and street style. So what's under the tank? At the heart of the 2025 Sportster is the Revolution Max 975T engine. It's a 975 cubic centimeters V-twin, liquid-cooled, and tuned for low-end torque. This isn't the massive 1,250 cubic centimeters version found in the Pan America or Sportster S, but don't let the smaller displacement fool you. This bike puts out about 90 horsepower and 70 lb-ft of torque, which, when paired with a lighter chassis, makes the Sportster feel alive under throttle. There's a raw mechanical punch when you crack the throttle, but it's also smooth, precise, and very refined for a Harley. Weight-wise, the 2025 Sportster is around 480 pounds wet. That makes it significantly lighter than some of Harley's bigger cruisers, and you feel that right away. Whether you're maneuvering through tight city streets or leaning into a corner, it's nimble, easy to handle, and very predictable. Suspension is dialed in too, with 41mm Showa forks up front and a preload adjustable rear monoshock. It's not a plush touring setup, but it handles rough pavement and spirited riding better than you might expect. Braking is another area where the Sportster shines. It's got a single disc setup up front and in the rear, but with the added help of cornering ABS, you get strong, confident stopping power even in tricky conditions. Harley's braking game has come a long way, and this new Sportster proves it. And let's talk price for a second. Starting MSRP is hovering around $13,500 depending on trim and color. It's not the cheapest middleweight on the market, but it's not trying to be. You're paying for heritage, yes, but also real engineering, real performance, and a premium finish. In the grand scheme, for what you're getting in this package, the value is absolutely there. Of course, no bike is perfect, and there are a few things worth mentioning. If you're coming from a classic air-cooled Harley, the sound of the new Revolution Max might not hit quite the same. It's smoother, quieter, and more refined. Some purists might miss the rawness of the old Evolution motor. It's also worth noting that while this Sportster is more performance-oriented, it doesn't abandon its roots. It's still a great city bike, still a great first Harley. But now it's got enough muscle and sophistication to hold the interest of seasoned riders too. It's proof that Harley can move forward without forgetting where it came from. And that's the real beauty of the 2025 Sportster. It doesn't just ride the line between old-school cool and new-school performance. It owns it. It's got a distinct personality, modern capability, and it begs to be ridden hard. Whether you're commuting, carving up twisties, or just showing off at the local bike night, the Sportster delivers a ride that's exciting, accessible, and stylish as hell. So if you've been sleeping on Harley or waiting for the right model to jump in, this might be your wake-up call. The 2025 Sportster is proof that Harley is listening, innovating, and bringing serious heat to the middleweight game. All right, fam, that wraps up our deep dive into the 2025 Harley-Davidson Sportster. What do you think? Is this the evolution the Sportster needed? Would you ride one? Or are you sticking with the classics? Drop your thoughts down in the comments. I love hearing what you all think. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button to show some love, and subscribe if you haven't already. We've got more bike reviews, test rides, and moto content dropping every week. Until next time, keep the rubber side down, the throttle twisted, and I'll catch you on the next ride. Peace.